So hello again, good guys. So we are here at SMDC Bloom Residences. So tara, meron tayong inimit ngayon na client. Hinihintay na lang natin sila. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Hello ma'am, Kyle po. Yes po. Hello ma'am, Kyle ma'am. Pagkatapos natin visit yung pinaka-unit, punta po tayo sa amin. Yung mga pwedeng masira ang project after ganitong taon, after ganitong ano. So, ngayon, dahil perpetual ownership siya, so again, good guys, so if you're interested with Bloom Residences or other SMDC projects, just message me and I'll guide you step by step. Again, this is Carl Valeriano, the International Sales Manager from SMDC. See you, good guys!